Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Jeep from the last video. This is the 02 Wrangler. I did a lot of upgrades on it. This lift kit, front bumper, winch. I put steering stabilizer on it. Put a brand new radio in it. Been working on it a little bit, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what I've done. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you a little bit of what I did. All right, so first thing you notice when you step up to it, different from the previous first thing I noticed are these fenders. Now these are just some aftermarket. I think they're 7-inch, which is a good bit bigger than the stock, but now they actually line up with my tires, whereas before my tires stuck out past the stock fenders. I've had these on here for maybe, I think I got these in March, so, or maybe February or March, somewhere like that. So a couple months, about 3 months. They seem to be holding up pretty good. I did have to drill some holes for some of these screws. They did not line up. I think most of the comments actually said they didn't line up, but I figured it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So you can see front and back. Sorry for the mess back there. We've been cleaning out the shed. The next thing that we did were these rock rails, which I got because they were wide enough to actually double as a step. I think actually this one is 7 hooks, but instead of bolting them, let's see if you can see it, I actually welded them and then covered with a anti-rust, some anti-rust stuff I had laying around. So they actually work really well. I put my foot on it, you can see there's no, well, you can't see, there's no wobble in it at all. I mean, that's on there. Very, very sturdy. I'll show you the suspension too. So this is a 2.5-inch lift front and rear, and what I did was, this is the stock washer, or spacer, excuse me, not washer. This is the stock spacer, and I added another 3/4 inch spacer in the front, just so it'd be a little bit level and wouldn't have that lean to it look, especially with this front bumper. Since I'm talking about it, this is an EAG, which had mixed reviews on Amazon, but I like it. It's sturdy. It was very easy to put on. I don't feel like it's going anywhere. I've pulled a few things with the winch since I added it. Now it's a Badlands 12,000. That came from Harbor Freight. Of course, I caught it on, had a super coupon, caught it on sale. Other than that, let's see if I can get inside real quick. I did this aftermarket radio, which, I mean, it's okay. The main reason I got it, maybe one of you guys have done something similar. What I'd like to do is take this screen here and actually hook it to a trail cam I'm gonna put up front. That's the plan. I have not done that yet. Now it is, I mean, it's new, but it's new to me. I haven't done anything else on the inside, just the radio. I got to get me some carpets and stuff. Actually, when I bought it, had carpets. I went and did a lot of joyriding, and I just decided it would be easier to clean if I took the carpets out. And then I never put them back in, and now the more I look at them, I mean, all this stuff I'm gonna replace anyway, so I'm just gonna get new carpet. And then I don't know if this is fixable, but if not, I may just buy me some new seats. And also, since the last update, my top decided that it did not like me anymore, so it has ripped. But so that's it. The next update I do, hopefully we'll have at least some carpet and maybe oh, the steering stabilizer. I forgot to show you guys. Steering stabilizer is here, and it is rough country. All this came from rough country. It's actually I mean, I can feel the difference. Like when I hit a bump, a lot of the reviews were saying that, you know, it was okay, but I've actually enjoyed it. I mean, you can't see the rear, but that's the rear spring, and shot. Now I've put probably 2,000 or 3,000 miles on this lift, and it is noticeably less bouncy. Well, I live on a gravel road, so it doesn't bounce near as much as the old stock suspension, but I think the stock suspension was just shot. So yeah, if anybody has any comments, let me know. I was gonna do how-to videos, but there's literally so many how-to videos. I just don't really know where I want to go with this channel yet. So just maybe give me some comments. And the only thing I wouldn't be able to redo is the side steps, obviously. But if y'all did want a how-to video, it wouldn't be anything for me to take the front bumper off, pull the tires off, show you how to put the lift on. If maybe you guys want to see it. I did all that myself. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, just hit me up. I'm gonna try to keep track of it. I don't have any followers or anything like that. This is just me talking to myself at this point. But if I do happen to catch one random straggler in the comments, just let me know. If you got any questions or whatever, I can help. But I'd be more than happy to show you everything I did to try to get this in this shape. Now it's got a long way to go, but yeah, just let me know.